show name and contact on iPhone lock screen. So let's see how do this. First open settings, general settings, open this, about, open this, type here your name and contact number, then OK. Go home screen, open notification bar, tap and hold on notification bar, customize, add widgets, select batteries, select name and battery in percentage, then done this. So finally successfully name and contact number show on iPhone screen, lock screen. Thanks for watching.